So with a little curiosity and a desire to paint something, I hit the road for a chance to score.
Whoa.
And sure enough, hey, that looks like a spot. Decided, let's see what's down there. So, throw some cans in a bag and I take a little like. Using a needle cap here. Extremely fun. Like usual, no idea what I'm doing. Absolute rookie. But we're taking it one step at a time. We got the frogs croaking. Nature. Spring day. Soaking up some vitamin D. Doing a little misties. A little half spray action. You know, we're thankful for the day. I don't know what I'm doing. I think the main thing with these is just do something different. Challenge myself to not do what the traditional outline drop shadow thing always seems to go. Easy. Sometimes that's great. Most of the time it is. But anyways, had the scrap cans. Pretty minimal color scheme. Usually keeps things easier to work with when you're doing something strange like this that you don't know what you're doing. Gotta get the pan of the cans right. Little test spray shot. That's my favorite. Some highlights. You know what the deal is, right? Some shines to wrap it all together. And let's get out of here, huh? Another one down.